Fast lane driving, LA nights and all the things that I just dream of one day. Your clothes designer, only the finest. Raise a toast to the life you dreamt of one day. No more hoping, you're chasing moments. Is it everything you always wanted? You say you want the best, but is it him or his money that's got you so obsessed? 'Cause you say that it's dark, so empty is your heart. Should've known what you were in for when you chase after that life. I know he buys you all the things you like, but you just know you'll be his trophy wife. Travel the world and live a first class life, but none of those fancy things have kept you away from me. So girl, it's time for you to draw the line. From tonight there is no other guy. Tired of all the stupid games you play. You don't need no fancy things when you in love with me. Sunday morning, you're all alone and you come crawling to me every single time. Don't understand this, why are you like this? Girl, it's time for you to give him up. 'Cause you say that it's dark, so empty is your heart. Should've known what you were in for when you chase after that life. Packed my bags, time to move on. All we want is to grow old. Every day it's just the same song, 'cause this life is all we've ever known. Drinking all night and all day, driving 90 on the highway. Through all the chances that we take and all the mistakes that we've made. I shine brighter when I'm holding you. You light my night up with the way that you move. And I fly higher when I'm back next to you. These are the days I find you. 'Cause every
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love you.
There's no way you could have faked it. No, you're not that good. I know you love me, I felt it. So strong, that strong. And it was something kinda crazy, but never not honest. I know you love me, I felt it, but you're gone, so gone. When I know you're not alone, I can't help but feel alone. When you say you're on your own, I found my way home, oh, but I still can't find me. Were you scared that it cost you? I'm still afraid of the dark. Your voice just keeps pressing play. Then it rewinds itself back to the start. I watch it over again. Could it really be the fact I never bought you a designer dress? Or can it be the truth you never loved me? Really that strong? Or an excuse to get around it? Falcon Heights, I call you in a straight 3-4 from grace, and I fell for you before the light even hit your face. Now I wonder why I should've known you weren't working late, but maybe I didn't wanna know. Sometimes you feel the point of the blade, but still you wanna take it slow. Could it really be the fact that you were broken and you'll always be? Or could it be the truth you weren't so helpless? Just on some quest to feel everything, and that boy was no exception. Falcon Heights, I call you in a straight 3-4 from grace, and I fell for you before the light even hit your face. Now I wonder why. Now watch me go. No need to draw this out. Falcon Heights, I call you in a straight 3-4 from grace, and I fell for you before the light